How to download and install Hunting Sniper on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are interested in playing Hunting Sniper on your Android phone or your tablets, then here's how you can get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store. In the search bar at the bottom, go to the search box and then type in Hunting Sniper. Once you find the Hunting Sniper application from the search results, go ahead and look for this application from Sparks Info. After you get to this page, tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is installed, tap on the play button to launch open Hunting Sniper on your Android device. Now wait for the game to load, go ahead and allow necessary permissions, and the game will start downloading additional resources. Make sure that you are connected to the internet, and that's how you can easily download and install the Hunting Sniper game on your Android device, whether you are using a smartphone or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.